This is the FINOW X7. It's an Android 7.1.1, 4G defaulting to 3G, standalone smartwatch phone with Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, all the things you've come to know and expect, including notifications pushed from your phone, your step count, calories burned, and distance traveled with weekly summaries, your overall apps that can be displayed in circles or in linear fashion, and a whole bunch more. It's 2 buttons, one being an SOS function when you push and hold that will make a phone call and send a text to a number that you've specified. It's got a camera on the side, solid build quality, leather band, and solid stainless steel back, sides, everything. Really nice Android standalone watch, the FINOW X7. Check it out.